Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today I brought you this really gorgeous bohemian earring tutorial. I think they're really pretty and very easy to make, beginner friendly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future contents as well. And let's get started. For the earring, we will need to have the following materials. I'm going to have this yarn. This is size 1 yarn. This is very fine yarn and this is really easy to work with and looks really nice in an earring. I'm going to use the crochet hook size 0.9 millimeter. Then also the needle, yarn needle for the stitches. Wooden balls for the decoration, 2 rings. These rings, by the way, are 2 centimeters. Then the hook, the earring hook, scissor, and the back part of the earring. To start, we're gonna get this ring and going to pull over the yarn. Getting it nicely, okay. And as if you're doing a single crochet here, make it more tighter here. Okay, and now we're gonna do 35 single crochet into the ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, You see, when it looks like you don't have more space, you just pull a little bit and then straight away you have more space. So 27, and 35. Okay, great. So now the first chain that we had here, we're going to insert. You see here, this was the first one. Insert there the crochet hook, grab the yarn, pull over, and we're making a slip stitch here. So we have the first round that looks like this. Chain 2, 1 and 2. This will be as if we have our first double crochet, and now we're going to do 10 double crochet here to the following stitches. The first stitch we're going to do, the first double crochet we will do in the same stitch where we started. So yarn over and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and then we're going to do another 10 plus 1, so altogether 11, because we had here 10 stitches plus 1 of the chain 2 initial, so we're going to do 11 double crochets into the following stitches. So yarn over, next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 'I'm sorry, sometimes the cars are so loud here. Sorry about this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now the last one, just to make it 11. This was for the chain 2 initial. Okay, see, it looks like this. And then now what we will be doing, we turn the work, okay, and going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and skip the middle one. Okay, so this one is where we started. We skip this middle line, middle, and then on the second one, basically in here the third, we insert and we do a slip stitch. And again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Leave one, and then slip stitch in the next one. And then we continue like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave one out, second one, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave one out and slip stitch. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here we're going to make one slip stitch inside in this hole that we created. Okay, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Not the first one, but the second one after the hole. Slip stitch. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave one out, second. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave one out, slip stitch. We're almost in the end. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last one, slip stitch. You see how nice it came out? Okay, we can get the scissor, leave some excess tail. We can pull it out. Let's get the needle. And this, where we finished, I'm going to make some stitches here, just by close by, so keep the pattern. Don't make super tight, because then it's going to pull the earring in and it's not going to look nice. So just make it very kind of looser, but still don't, make sure to don't pull it too much. That's the important part. Okay, we do a couple of stitches, and then we can cut. We're going to do the same with this excess tail as well. So just do a couple of stitches, and at least it's nicely fixed. Just like this. And never really pull it too much. Okay, going to cut the extra yarn. Okay, now to add the top part, we need to have a bit of yarn. Going to cut it here. Going to get the needle, insert it. Have a look where the middle part of the work is. Mine is here. Going to add it. If you look, we add it like this, okay? And now with the needle, I'm going to insert in the same point, but from the opposite side. Okay. So I'm creating kind of like a little loop here. Now, going to get the wooden ball and the crochet hook. This crochet hook size fits inside in this wooden ball, so it's great. Insert the crochet hook in the wooden ball, then grab the yarn and pull over. And then going to do the same with another one. You can add as many as you want, you prefer to have. I feel like for me 2 is kind of good, it looks nice for me. And then going to grab the hook for the earring, slightly opening up. I don't need to open a lot because it's actually quite fine yarn. I'm going to add the yarn here. Okay, going to close it. Usually I use tools for this, but for opening this little, I don't need. And now we're gonna get this yarn and going to pull it down. So it makes it more tight. You see, it's tightening up. Okay, grab the yarn, it's gonna be next to each other. I tie them and make sure that they are tight enough so they are holding nicely, they're not loose, you're not able to see there up the yarn. So one, you make one more time, don't make too much because then it would be visible, but two would do great still. And then this extra excess yarn, going to add it on a crochet hook, crochet needle, sorry, and make the stitches the same way how we used to do in the other ones to make it less visible. And when you did a couple of stitches, and you can cut the excess yarn. I'm going to do the same with the other yarn as well. And don't forget to make two from these earrings. Now that I did two, I'm going to add it on paper, an earring paper, just make it like very, very nice, decorative, and it's actually really, really great gift idea as well. Very personal because you created yourself, and at the same time, it looks really, really pretty. So our earrings just got ready. I hope you had a great time creating them. I think they turned out really, really pretty, and I think the process was very easy. However, let me know in the comment section below if it went well or if I should improve something or do something differently. They're very bohemian. I'm in love with this style, to be honest. If you're looking at my channel, I have a lot of bohemian stuff and I really, really love them. I would like to see your earrings, how it turned out. So if you would like to share it on Instagram, don't forget to tag me. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future contents as well. And thank you for watching and being here with me today. Bye bye.